Building credit, whether for the first time or after a setback, doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, if you're looking for a stepping stone to building good credit, or maybe even raising your credit score, then look no further than the OpenSky secured credit card. And here to share more is Linnea Kronmiller, Senior Vice President at OpenSky. Hi, Linnea.
Thanks for having me, Olga.
Oh, thanks for joining us, because I think this is really important. So let's start with just basically the difficulties that people face when they don't have a credit history, or maybe they have a low credit score.
Sure, whether you're just starting out and you have no credit history, or you're starting over and have a low score, it can be costly and even difficult to obtain credit. Many of our customers tell us that the primary reason for wanting to build their credit history is to qualify for a home or an auto loan. Raising your credit score can even help you qualify for lower interest rates. And when renting an apartment or a home, you may be asked to put down a higher security deposit or even add a cosigner.
So how does OpenSky secured Visa credit card help build credit?
Sure. So, once you have our card, all you need to do is use the card for everyday purchases like groceries, streaming services, small DIY projects, or even your recurring utility bills. Then make your monthly payments on time, and we will report your credit history each month to the 3 major credit reporting agencies. Our customers tell us that they've been able to raise their score in as little as 6 months.
Well, that's fantastic, and it sounds pretty easy. Now, how does the OpenSky secured credit card actually work?
It is pretty easy. When you apply for the OpenSky secured Visa card, we do not pull your credit, and you can apply online or on your phone in just a few minutes. More than 75% of our applicants are approved. You choose your credit limit and then provide the required security deposit for the same amount. Your security deposit acts as collateral, just like the security deposit when renting an apartment. And it's fully refundable when you close your account. Once you get your card, we encourage you to enroll in the OpenSky mobile app, where you can check your balance, make payments, and even set alerts to remind you when your payment is due.
I was actually reading here that one of your customers recently posted that your card is a, quote, second chance card. Can you explain how it really is making a difference for so many people?
It really does make a difference. Many of our customers have told us that our card has given them a brand new start. They were able to reach their goal by using our secure card and following good credit habits. We've even had customers send us family photos in front of their new home.
Oh, that's so sweet.
It really helps us reinforce that we're doing the right thing. We even provide our customers with credit education and tips on our social media channel. All these actions can help you build a good credit history and lay the groundwork for your future, whether you're starting out or you're starting over.
I love it. All right, so for our viewers who'd like more information, and I know they're dying to know this, where do they go?
OpenSkyCC.com/TV.
Thank you so much for the information and your time, Linnea.
Thank you for having me.
You can also visit, by the way, our website, designingspaces.tv.